Hello everyone, I haven't posted in a minute. I'm whispering because I got little ones sleeping, and if you know what it means to have your own freedom, you would let them sleep. Basically, I cut my hair 2 days ago, and by the way, nobody's happy about it, but I am. I recut it and I just felt like I needed to start over because there's so much going on, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna start with my head, make changes and everything like that, so hair can always grow. So I'm going to do 6 months challenge of doing protective styling. So every month I'm gonna be taking it out and putting it back in, and plus winter is here, it's gonna be cold, so yes, I want something on my head. So yes, by the way, having short hair, it feels amazing, it feels freeing. Like when I took a shower this morning, I'm telling you, I didn't have to put a cup on my head when the water rained down in my scalp. Oh my goodness, that was like, it felt so rejuvenating, feeling like not having to worry about my hair, feeling the water running and rushing through my scalp, and my fingers being able to touch my scalp without any interference. Literally, like, oh, it feels so good. And going to bed feels amazing until tonight because I'm doing braids. Here because demand is but I've done the back, and God knows when I'm gonna finish. The good thing about short hair is like it's really fast, because it's really easy to do remotely, but unfortunately you can hear